She give me energy. I'm from fire. We still trapping, niggas know that we game ain't still active. We walk down with them still like we drill master. Got them bats in the range, we gon' kill cats.
What's up, dudes? How you guys doing? Hey guys, how's it going? That's good, I'm good, thank you for asking. Back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Jake. I do just about anything I feel like doing. As far as video wise, obviously obey the law, but as far as uploads, I just kind of shoot whatever I feel. So you're not gonna get like the same upload every time. You're really not gonna know. And I don't really have a schedule either, so it's kind of like whenever I feel like uploading. So if you like, there's a word for it. Hang on. Predictability, unpredictability, I'm unpredictable. But if you like unpredictableness, if you like not being able to predict the video that's going to be uploaded or when it will be uploaded, you guys probably like my channel, because there's no strict set of like I upload every Monday, I upload every weekend, I upload twice a week, I upload every day. No, it's kind of just like, you know, I'll upload once this week, once next week, twice that next week, like maybe every day this week. Like, it kind of depends. It really does. I'm just trying to put out content, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. There's just different things that way it's not all the same crap that you see all over YouTube already. With that being said, I'm gonna do a video that I've seen a crap load all over YouTube already. Sorry. So yeah, here's my hype playlist. This is the music that I listen to driving around or hanging out. When I say hype playlist, I really just mean like the beat kind of is sick. Who's not trying to get hype, you know? For me, it's Sunday afternoon. I go back to work tomorrow, so I'm trying to get hype for the week of work. So anyway, let's jump into some songs. I'll include the title and the artist, so if you guys like them, you guys can download them.
Everything litty, I love when it's hot. Turn to the city, I broke all the notch. Got some more millions, I keep me a knot. I created history, it made me a lot. Call them chopsticks, cause they gonna chop. Took her out of fellas, cause her pussy pop. I run it like Nike, we got it on lock.
I took a roll of the dice, I put it all in my life. Get high, bitch. Autopilot, fuck the UI. Don't worry about a nigga like me, I'ma get by. Been the man before the racks, bitch. I'm with an actress, so that sax fifth. I ain't tripping, but they taxing. I make the Benjamins do backflips.
One thing I noticed too, I'm doing it in my car, because a lot of people do it in their cars. But it's not safe to be on your phone and driving at the same time, so I wouldn't want to recommend that. So I want to lead by example. So I'm not driving around, I'm kind of just sitting in my car and kind of looking stupid for you, for this video. So be sure to give it a like.
Rich piece of bankroll, show how to do it. Baby going crazy, you getting straight to it. I done caused a manufacturing and I'm fucking on the store. Chain they control, see my main partner turn into a rain, tell my round. I pray the judge get a boy a bus so I can pop him. We was in the hood, selling bags, shooting choppers out and floating around and try to go and listen. Hell, I gotta stop a man, I hate it working too hard. I think they got binoculars. Every nigga.
Baby got it, still got them bows. I tell my bitch I'm faithful, but I still got the hoe. Hit her, got her begging, baby, please.
In the condo, pink toe, rich meal more than a hundo. Vibes on my line, Chanel all time. Drippin' homicide, pull up in the coupe and let the wings touch the sky. Shooters on the left wing, pink toe vibes in the condo, pink toe, rich meal more than a hundo. Rich meal, shawty ain't gon' shoot, but got a gun though. Shawty ain't gon' I'ma spin the loop to keep the front door.
The baby, but your baby that really wanna be me. Try to bite the move, you always watch me on your TV. Your bitches like a pool, no I be diving in the stream.
Big blunt still burning in the black big Benz. Bad bitch sucking dick by the damn my rim. We got the new arena, best seats at the game. Haters still send subpoenas, but my snipers got to aim. Sell a lot of records, not the money that I made, or the bitches that we fuck, cause we share a lot of names. All the product, my new house is on the river. 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 My new house is on the river, so I had to buy a boat. Better yet, it's called a yacht. I was not labeled a boss for the yayo that I caught.
Nigga don't think I leave, know it go down. Been sipping, no drinking, they got me so numb. My open the bank, I got all of these funds. I take on the army with all of these guns.
Your boyfriend a bum and he need him a job. Black on back busy, we move like the mob. Walk off and he miss it by the store. Your nigga don't think all he know it go dumb. Been sipping on drinking, it got me so numb. I open the bank, I got all of these funds. I take on the army with all of these guns. All of these real niggas sound like my son. Tell the waiter I need all of the one. Robin Hood, keep him a drum. Robin Hood came from the slum.
If I want it, I'll take it, we snatch shit. I'm at the top of the penthouse. I'm selling it, go to my show, put on drip like I'm dealing it. Shout out my young niggas, swear they be killing shit. Sippin' codeine, that shit give me energy. I'm from fire, but we still trappin'. Niggas know that we game bang, still active. We walk down with them still like we drill mouth. Got no mats in the range, we gon' kill cats.
Visions on my path, I seen the light and love. Take me as I am and find out who I was. Let's pick up ourselves and we put down the guns. Let's uplift our women, they the chosen ones. I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. Why must we steal, must we hate, must we lie? People oppressed, they depressed out they mind. Dearly beloved, I was made for this. I work them nights just like a slave for this. Yeah. In case you do forget, yeah, he cool and they okay, but can't compare to this.
Floor seats for the next couple models blowing hits. They don't even wanna pick, wanna lick up, wanna. Tiffany Stone fit, I'm performing with the hits. All aggressive on the wrist, waterfall, not the drip.
Yeah. Bitch.
Oh my God, Ronnie.
Oh my God, Ronnie.
I don't care about your mess. I don't give a fuck. With my wrist, I hit my dance. If you want it, make you wanna have a fucking plan. Let my niggas with the shit, yeah. I ain't even playing. Cautious, watch where you walking. I got powers, but no, I'm not awesome. I got hoes, no, I need options. If it ain't big bills, then bitch, stop talking.
Pretty J, don't tell water. This the real face, fuck the bitch. Broke her heart, she think you still dating.
100 shooters, I can get your quick hit. Get my dick tucked in a Lambo, wise dick shit, big shit. Baby, it's the big fish. All these VVS's in my necklace, in my.
Pretty J, don't tell water. This the real face, fuck the bitch. Broke her heart, she think you still dating.
Yeah.
It's a lot of kings in this room. In the room. It's a lot of kings in the room. She hopped inside my car and saw the stars went to the moon. Body bands blowing gas out the roof. Nigga think it's sweet until I punched him in his toe.
Metro, man, we the came up, dog, and never let down. Oh my God, I throw my Jesus chain on for this shit. Look, when you put the work in, man, it shows. Straight up out the ashes in our roads, yeah. Been out of here all-time low, been at a standstill, I had to go. Gotta go. Man, they out here on a scheme like la. Breaking promises you need like na. No hearts, no love, no kumbaya, yeah. No hearts, no love, no kumbaya. Everything automatic, so I can't waste time. Went from 30,000 a year to 30,000 feet as my floor plan. I got El Chapo with a chopper as my doorman. I'm on the other side taking care of what's important. If business not booming, then it's time to change the format. Time to change the recipe, I'm special especially. Going for the record, no felony. And I'm dodging jail and jealousy. Daydreaming about a cruise with Penelope. Looking like success fell on me.
Gucci man, Gucci man, Gucci man, Gucci man, Gucci man. Wizard up. Gucci the Gucci grew up with a Gucci. We drip, I think he tryna smother me. I'm fashion, I ain't even drippin'. Laughing, I ain't even trippin'. I'm crashing, I ain't even dissing. Heard you drop some, I ain't even listen. No one roller, tryna street gorilla. I pull up like Chauncey Billups. shit, love that shit. Sitting in the garage, push a plate up on a higher horse, shorty with a 4-5, only stand a 5-4. Bitch up in the eye, that be looking like a sideboard. Put it on the table, I'ma eat it like a 5-course. Rolling on my weed, I'm a Balenciaga dream for the next one. Yeah, baby, some fun, just wanna stone it. Bringing the bottles in the corner. This is like a freezy, but if Molly water wetter than the 7 seas. Me swimming every knee deep, keeping on the last two. She gon' hit a 3-beat, cleans to the yeast, probably smell through the 3 sheet.
Look, 1, me, 3 bitches. Too much smoke up in the room, fucking up my vision. I might step down and fuck if she will. Grew up around her, so I ride with extensions. You can tell me.
Super duper car, I've been famous for a while, yeah. Now she know my name, if she don't, she in denial, yeah. And I keep a chain with a big ass smile, yeah. Cause my niggas pay, and I know my mama proud. Niggas talk a lot behind the scenes, I don't do that. Say they spin facts, but we never see the proof, yeah.
I don't understand it, tell me how could you be so low?
And all in thrilling new living sound.
Look thicker than water, right? Fuck bitches, they all alike. Stand up, nigga, not the falling tight. Heart blacker than a Harlem Nights till I met you. They say the devil wear Prada, but I got it cause the Lord did bless you. Damn, look at that body. Short but shorty, cause your shoulder is special. Go to the rescue.
And yeah, I'm not making money off these, so they can get copyrighted all they want. So that's the benefit to subscribing to my channel right now, is nobody cares, nobody watches it. I'm just saying, do me a favor. I'm up to 30 subscribers. That's a lot. 30's a lot. That's more than I started with. I don't know about you guys, but I started with none. So I'm grateful that I have 30. I mean, there's 30 people that put up with my bullshit constantly. And if you want to be 31, 32, 33, feel free. Feel free. You don't have to pay anything. There's no sign up. I don't take your email address. I'm not going to spam you with like random crap. You know? I'm not. But I bullshit a lot. I like to talk. Do you guys? I don't know. I feel like I'm actually talking to you guys right now, and you guys can just like respond to me, and I'm like waiting for you to respond. But that's not how it works. So I'm new to this, so we're still figuring it out. But we're good.